Hello, good morning, my dear friends. This is Dr. Nishikant Vibhute, and you are watching Aniruddha's Creative Learners. My Instagram account is ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners, on which I had posted some images which I created using ChatGPT. After seeing those images, many friends have requested to create a short video which will help them understand how to use ChatGPT to create images. So let's get started. First open your Google Chrome browser and then type ChatGPT. So this particular image will appear. Here you can see different options coming up. Select this option ChatGPT. This page will open and it will ask for login. So please use Gmail ID or any other ID which you don't use very frequently. So let me log in using this button. So this I usually close this particular tab. Login. After login, this page appears. So here you have to ask. ChatGPT is like you ask the question and it will answer you. If you ask a different code for a particular software, it will give you that code. If you ask essay, then it will give the essay. Here we want an image, so we will ask for an image. So instead of creating a new image, I will show you my previous image for example. So let us see. Go here. You can see the history, in which you can see that I have asked for HD thumbnail design instructions. So let us see what is it. So how to reduce size of an image. Here you can see. Okay. I will use some other option which is a more simple thing. So let us understand this particular instruction. These instructions are called as prompts. So if you learn to give a proper prompt to a particular ChatGPT, then it will give you proper or desired result. So here I have uploaded this particular logo of Vector Ink. Vector Ink is a mobile app for which I have created videos on my YouTube channel Aniruddha's Creative Learners. So let us see what I have made is I have made this particular thumbnail for my YouTube video. So let us read this. Create HD image. Now whatever you want, like if you write create image, it will create image. So first line should be create image. Then for purpose you can write YouTube, or you can write Twitter or whatever, or Instagram, and then you write the dimensions. Then you should write the style. So I will suggest you as creative learners to learn on the internet different styles. So if you this particular whatever style you mention, the result will come in that style only. If you mention a cartoon, it will appear as a cartoon. If you mention Pixar, it will come Pixar, or whatever style you want to use. So here I have used 3D digital painting style, which shows creative person. So adjectives, more appropriate result you will get. Who is wearing light blue t-shirt and dark blue jeans, denim jeans. So here we can see light blue t-shirt and dark blue denim jeans. So is standing on a stool and fixing. Now this is a typo error, but the ChatGPT understood that it is a typo error. So he is fixing multicolor triangular decorative pieces on a toran. So toran is Indian concept which is put up on the roof or the external aspect of the walls, which shows celebration. So if this I have written multicolor triangular decorative pieces on toran, and ChatGPT have intelligently, or we can say artificial intelligence, it has used to find out what is a toran, and it has created a toran over here. So this is a toran. So here it has created a reverse toran, but it is negligible. Many marigold garlands and lightings in a luxurious home hall make it appear festive time. So it is appearing a festive time, lightings, marigold. So the concept is the path is there, and along the path objects are distributed. So in vectoring there is a particular option in which you can create a path, and along that path you can distribute the objects. So here the objects are distributed over here. So let us see. And it has shown luxurious home. Make a logo show. So in the reference image. So here it is the reference image. So this logo should appear on the back of this particular man or boy who is standing over here. Make the logo shows in the reference image appear on the t-shirt of this character. Title of thumbnail is how to use. So here inverted commas I have used to show that it is text. It is not a command. So it will come as text like this. It is a text. So align the title appropriately, proportionately, and apply 10% padding. So 10% padding means it will give space from all the sides of this particular text. Some people recommend not to write text directly on this particular image. So they instruct the ChatGPT to just create image and don't write any text. And they use Photoshop, Photopea, or any other such app to add the text. So here I have successfully used the text on the image. After watching this video, I will suggest you to learn on these different styles. So different styles are available on internet. So please go on internet and search different style. Write down on paper what type of style looks like what type of style is your favorite style, and then try to create images using different styles. You try to be more explanatory. Try to explain the image in words as much as possible, and it will give you the results. Whatever results you get, please share with me on my Instagram account ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. I hope this will be helpful to you. I will suggest you to subscribe this channel so that you get more creative videos. Thank you. Hari Om Sri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.